Hi Libras, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 28th till 4th of October, alright? And we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. And this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's see what is there for my Librans in the coming week from 28th September till 4th of October, please. I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. Alright. Okay. At the back of the deck we have the Queen of Cups. So we have the the King of Cups. We have the Queen of Cups over here as well. So we have a couple, a very beautiful romantic couple is here. All right, let's see what is there. Things are really going like on and off for you. With the King of Cups as the overall energy, it means you are in a place where you have a lot of love, you have a lot of emotional feeling for someone, but you're not able to express this feeling. Okay, it's like you are feeling a lot, you are connected to this person, but you don't know how to express this, because King of Cups does not express, he doesn't know how to express the feelings. So that is what I'm getting. Your past energies: 8 of Wands, Queen of Swords and 10 of Wands. Something happened. There was a communication going on really well, but all of a sudden there was a no from somebody. From one end, the talking stopped, the communication stopped. Might be you, might be other person as well over here, because of some kind of a truth which came out. The Queen of Swords, I'm also getting that this is some kind of a, like, somebody was going through a divorce process over here in the past. That is why all this thing is happening. Okay, present energies: Knight of Cups, the Devil and the Magician. Okay, so very different energies, because this might be looking at somebody, this might be somebody. I'm getting two energies over here. You were dealing with someone in the past, and right now there's someone else with you. You are feeling very attracted towards this person with the Knight of Cups, but it's like an attraction which is just a temporary attraction. It's not going to long last. Future energies: Queen of Cups, Two of Swords and Ace of Swords. So you want to clarify, because the Two of Swords, this is your energy, Librans, in the future. It's like that you are trying to find out the answers. What exactly, like, whom exactly do you like, or whom exactly is the person whom you love, because the person might be Cancerian. So this is someone, this is that energy where you are feeling like love for the past person, but you are attracted towards the present person, and that is why you are actually working on to clarify your mind. You are clearing your mind for something. All right, let's clarify your energies. King of Cups in the past energies. Why the King of Cups is here? Overall energy, King of Cups. Why the King of Cups is here as the overall energy? Okay, all the three major arcanas: the World, Temperance and the Sun. Yeah. this person with whom you are actually feeling this is someone, this is a reflection of yours. This is somebody who is like, this is a very beautiful card. Things really going good with this person. This is, I'm really getting that this is somebody from your past with whom you were actually connected with. The Temperance, you were feeling there was some kind of the connection, which means that, when somebody is perfect for someone, like somebody else's flaws, and there are pros and cons in everyone, there are flaws in everyone, but this is somebody who completed you. So you always found that this person completes me. So this is that energy over here with the past person. Okay, let's clarify this Queen of Swords in the past energies. Sorry, this is your overall energy. I'm sorry. Like, this is how you're feeling right now. Like, this person is the one who actually completes me. Queen of Swords in the past energies. Why the Queen of Swords is here? Yeah. Yeah, okay. So somebody over here deceived someone, backstabbed, tried. Basically, there was somebody lied, or somebody just didn't even tell the truth. So that is what is coming up with the Queen of Swords and the Seven of Swords. So somebody was actually waiting for some answers to come, like somebody was waiting for the truth to reveal, but the other person, might be you, you just left the situation, or might be the other person as well. So after that, when you or them, the one who actually did something, that person realized it was really late because the other person moved on, and it's really late for you to go back, or for them to come back to you. So you were really connected. There was a beautiful connection with the Eight of Wands over here. It was a connection, it was really good thing, but because of the responsibilities, because of that heaviness, how to be with this person, like, will our relationship last or not, these type of questions came, and that is why the other person just left the situation without telling the person that why I'm leaving. So, and that is why the communication ended over here. So what about this Knight of Cups over here? Who is this Knight of Cups? Why is it here? Death, Three of Swords, okay, and King of Pentacles. So there was a breakup. So there is a breakup, sorry. The things are actually, the things are over with this person whom you actually love, whom you actually felt something. The things are over because of somebody wanted money, somebody wanted to grow. Okay, when one person is immature and the other person is far mature, so maturity and immaturity, they does not last really long. So that is why I'm seeing that over here you are trying to break up with the person of the present who is with you, because there is just attraction with this new person. This is the new person I'm talking about, okay? Because the past persons, that story is over. With a new person, the problem is of age gap or maturity, immaturity. This is something that like that. So that is why you are the one over here again who actually ended the things. You are attracted to with this person, but no, you cannot go like for a long term with this person. And that is why the Queen of Cups is here. You're actually in your future. I'm seeing that you are missing the past person only. Yeah, you're feeling left out with the Five of Pentacles, Six of Swords. You want to go back towards that person, that past person, because that person gave you calmness, that kind of calmness and that kind of peace, you find whatever, whenever you think about peace, you always think about this person. You want to communicate with this person because you feel left out. You feel like you left this person and you want to go back to this person because this person actually gave you that care, that emotional touch, feeling, everything like that. That is why you are trying. You are, see how you are in that, in between these two crows over here. So you're trying to find out the answer, like what to do, why, how can I go back to this person. Ace of Swords, let's see what is this Ace of Swords in the future energy. Page of Swords, King of Swords, you might be stalking as well. You are trying to stalk this person, like what they are doing, and they are really moving on in their life. It's them who are not going to accept now. Okay, so that is the fear in you, that what to do, how to approach this person, because they have actually moved on, you think. So what to do next, because Two of Swords are here 2 times in your reading, because you are trying to figure out the answer. You haven't figured it out yet, because you are in the process of clearing things out first. You want to clear your mind, then you will approach. Okay, so that is what I'm seeing in your future, that you are clearing. You know where to go, but still you are clearing some other stuff, clearing some other businesses as well. Alright, so that is all from my side, Librans. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.